Hello everyone, this is Olivia's Adventure. Today we are here in a Vietnamese restaurant and we are planning to eat pho. So the decorations are very nice, just like in Vietnam, even though I haven't been to Vietnam yet. But I love their food and we're so hungry right now. This is my order. It's beef, and then we have and that's my daughter's order. We have the beef. Hi! We're having lunch right now, and we are here in the Vietnamese restaurant here in Birmingham. I have to voice over because there's music. And this is my food. It's all in one. It's their first special. There's beef and yan. I'm looking for the prawn. It says king prawn but it's parang shrimp lang siya. Yan, sige, halukay lang. Yan, that's the shrimp. Only one shrimp, a lot of beef. That's what I want naman. And a lot of beans prawn. It's hard to eat without the soup spoon, the Chinese soup spoon. Sige, panoorin nyo lang akong kumain. Ang sarap. Ang dami din. Grabe. Yan. Nakikikinsi eh. Achi. Masarap daw yung soup ko. Actually, it's very delicious. Yung sa kanya kasi is hot. Yung maanghang, yung in-order niya, and parang tomato based. Parang hindi niya masyadong gusto yun, but mine is super delicious. Or it's because it's 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Eh, gutom na kami. And we ordered spring roll. This is 3 pieces. Pero parang 6 pieces na yan if here in the Philippines. Kasi sa atin, di ba, hinahati pa or magiging 9 pieces pa yan. 3 pieces yan, nabawasan na ng isa. Super gutom na kami because our last meal is 8 a.m. and now it's 3 p.m. And we didn't buy lunch in the train station to yung sandwich. Madaming sandwich sa train station. Sa train station on my last vlog. Ayan. Kaya gutom na kami. So, siguro kahit ano kainin namin masarap. Pero mas type ko yung yung spring roll natin dito sa FOA. This is very very delicious. Sarap. And there's this one. There's beef here. There's only one piece. Madami siyang beef sa loob. Chicken. All in one pho. Chicken, shrimp, beef. It's not lunchtime anymore. It's already 3:30 p.m. and there are a lot of people. This is the back portion. But the front portion parang a lot of groups. Kaya kala ko punong-puno siya when we entered. Kala ko wala kaming uupuan. This is not the downtown area. It's located in Resorts World, Birmingham. It's near the airport. Kapag siguro we are in downtown area, mas madami pang tao. This is near the airport talaga. Beside the airport lang. We just walk from the train station. The train station and the airport are parang magkatabi lang sila. And we walk from the train station to our hotel. And then we walk from our hotel to the Resorts World. Buti na lang meron Resorts World dyan. Madaming suka, madaming sauce. But pho pa rin. Pho pa rin yung gusto naming sauce ng spring roll and spring roll. But their noodles here are delicious. Sobrang dami talaga. 15, pero mahal siya, 15 pounds. And I'm asking my daughter if how much yung order niya, 15 din. Usually ganun yung food sa sa UK, more or less 15 pounds yung isang meal. Kaya kapag kumakain kami mga 30 or more or less mga hindi naman aabot ng 50, pero medyo 50 pounds. Pag yung mga yung mga like yun nag-Din Tai Fung kami, parang 50 kami. Kasi madami-daming order namin. Here, parang cheaper siya kasi 2 noodles and 1 spring roll. Yung spring roll maybe mga 7.50. Yan. Pero sulit naman siya. It's madami. The noodles are punong-puno. Kala ko nga hindi ko maubos. Pero naubos din, syempre. Because I'm so hungry that time. Lagi kaming hungry kapag lunchtime. Kasi we eat late. Ayan. Ubos na, ubos na.
Restaurant we went to. So cute inside. I forgot to take a it's 4:52 p.m. here in Birmingham. There's Resorts World. And there's a lake there. When in London, usually we are home by 4 to 5 p.m. before na it gets dark. We are always in our hotel already. It's so cold right now.
That's why we're home by
Yeah.
4.
Yeah, that's why we're always home by 4. We're scared of the cold. So now it's only 5 p.m. But it's so cold here in Birmingham compared to London. Grabe. Hindi na ako pinapawisan. Sa London pinapawisan ako pag naglalakad kami. This is another hotel, Moxie. I'll show you yung yung papunta sa hotel namin. This is the lake near our hotel. That's Resorts World over there. And there's a airport at the back. Ayan, this is the way to our hotel. Yan. Parang gubat. Ay, Lakeside Garden. I think there. And this is the way to our hotel. Yan. Tignan mo mamaya. Parang gubat. Lakeside Garden. Landi. Hotel entrance. Sige diyan niya si for fishing only. Aya. O siya? Boya ama. This is our hotel entrance. Hoy lan eh, hoy, anto lo le toki eh. There's a forest here. Malapit na. Malapit na ang hotel. Ay, hindi. Healers. Bar. There's a bar here in our hotel.